The DRC method for the delivery of RMF services is a framework consisting of several security components that eventually lead to continuous improvements in security and mission capability within your organization. Essential to establishing a roadmap for your path forward using the RMF, we examine existing policies, your current plans for security, and the present state of your security infrastructure. By working with government clients to establish a continuous monitoring strategy and leveraging innovative threat analysis techniques, DRC is able to facilitate NIST's crucial risk executive function. This is a function that is emphasized in a completely new way by NIST 837 Rev 1, and one that cannot be held by non-government personnel. However, by working with government clients and developing implementation plans, DRC is able to ensure risk executive functions are allocated efficiently and meaningfully. This allows for accurate enterprise-wide risk analysis and facilitates the implementation of two key elements that DRC provides as a value add for its government clients. Adaptive metrics allow for your measurement techniques to evolve with a changing threat landscape. And ongoing knowledge transfer gives DRC the opportunity to work with government clients in sharing and transferring documented methodologies, SOPs, best practices, results, and other industry and agency-relevant educational components. Because DRC views security as an enabler of mission and business functions, alignment with organizational strategies are essential. This is especially true of the two major components in the DRC framework, our approach to continuous monitoring and our risk analysis techniques. When developing your organization's continuous monitoring strategy, we align the strategy with your organizational goals and mission functions. We examine your organization's strategic plans, your performance plans, existing guidance and policies, and assess the implementation against your current enterprise architecture. From there, we move into selecting the appropriate controls for your strategy. This is done by conducting a gap analysis that examines and catalogs the method in which you are currently implementing and monitoring your security controls. DRC categorizes controls by factors such as whether the implementation is automated or manual, control inheritance and common controls, and the frequency of review or implementation, ranging from near real-time to a year or longer. After control selection is complete, we facilitate the implementation of the actual monitoring strategy. We use benchmarking techniques that leverage industry best practices, such as the Consensus Audit Guidelines or the Center for Internet Security's metrics. We are then able to build custom and adaptive metrics that assess progress and effectiveness. This is all done against a backdrop of ongoing security status reporting. Understanding that reports are either event-based, time-based, or some combination of both, DRC ensures that any given security report is delivered as part of the strategy for ongoing risk determination and acceptance. As necessary, DRC is able to leverage a growing list of partnerships with tool vendors to provide you with the automated solutions that fit your requirements and current architecture. Security status reports range in implementation from signed memos to customized, fully functional dashboards built from the ground up. DRC's approach to risk analysis is driven by the accreditation boundary and the business or mission purposes that drive the system's operation. Understanding what technologies belong to a given system, how the system is architected, its capabilities, and how unauthorized additions are prevented and detected is the foundation for DRC's approach to risk analysis. DRC is well versed in the traditional approaches to risk analytics. Threat sources are evaluated for likelihood and potential impact in both a quantitative and qualitative manner that results in targeted mitigation strategies. However, DRC is also able to perform advanced threat assessments using attack and defense trees that evaluate your IT assets. We use customized implementations of industry-proven models such as the Verizon Enterprise Risk and Information Sharing or VERIS framework, or IBM Security Framework. This allows DRC to move beyond probabilistic point statements in traditional risk assessments into a realm of predictive analytics and threat modeling, anticipating where and how vulnerabilities may be exploited in order to best guide future investments. Ultimately, these techniques give our government clients a much clearer view of their overall attack surface. Through ongoing reports and updates, authorizing officials are able to make a progressive and ongoing determination of the inherent risk in the operation of their systems. Following this framework, DRC expects government clients to realize continuous and notable improvements in both security and overall mission and business functions.